How to add a new blog post in Kentico, a step-by-step guide. You can utilize unique Kentico features to publish custom blog posts. Some of you may think blog post is a simple thing to do, but it isn't. In this article, we will give you step-by-step procedure to manage, edit, and publish blog post in Kentico. Step 1. Navigate to blog page. Login in with your ID to access the admin panel of Kentico. In the home page, go to Page or Blog button to navigate to the blog portion of your page. You can also use search option of Kentico to navigate through any page. Select the blog and click plus button on the top to add new post. Go to Form to add contents of your blog. Add post title, post summary, and post text, main content of the blog. Now go to Custom, to add card image for the blog and author name. After that, check all the details and save it. Now go to Properties to add more details like URL, metadata, and etc. Now after all that, check preview of the blog by clicking on page. Now review all the contents and make necessary changes. Publish your blog by clicking on it.